There is no here also full. Here we need to take two values, that is front and rear. Front is null, rear is null. In arrays we have taken front is -1, rear is -1, guys. Stack queue, self-referential structure, number and next node. Okay, same. This is main function is common. Insert code we write. Okay, how to write insert code? See this. Allocate a memory. See guys. Node will be allocated. Node is created, guys. Okay, node is allocated. Insert the number. Two fields will be there. One is number, guys, and other field is what? Next node. You know this. Other field is what? Next. See this. Number and next. Insert the number. Example. Insert the number is 101, guys. 101. Okay. Front null we have taken, guys, right? Front is node. Now it is front. Front also pointing to the same location. This is front. Front is pointing to same location. This is the front, guys. And rear next is, what is rear? Okay. Rear next equals to, first we have taken rear is what? Rear is also null we have taken. Okay. Node we have taken. Node. Front is null. If front is null, front is pointing to this. Okay, rear next equals to node. Rear next, this is only node, right? This is only node, guys. This is only node. Rear next equals to node, and the rear is what? Rear is what? Node only. Rear is what? This is only rear. This is only rear. This is only front. This is only rear, guys. This is only front. This is only this. And rear next equals to null. This is what you need to write, null. This is the null. Capital letters we get. Okay, again, if you insert the node, again, if you insert, another node is created. Guys, another node is created. This is node is created. Now, front is not a null. Front is pointing here only. Rear next equals to node. Rear next equals to, this is a rear next, right? Now it is pointing to this. Rear next equals to next node. It is pointing to the next node. Okay, this is 2000 address. 2000 address will be stored here. Okay, now who is rear? This is the rear now, not this one. Rear is what? This is rear. This is rear. Okay, and rear next equals to null. What is this value? This is null again. Like this, it creates queue with the linked list. Queue with the linked list. Previous this address will store here. Okay, clear this. And display. Come to the display. See, if front equals to null, there is no any elements. Okay, front equals to null, there is no any elements. If any elements are there, then display this code. Okay, print the temporary number. Temporary equals to temporary next. It has to move to that location. See, temporary not equals to null. Okay, if any elements is there, then this is the answer. Okay, come to the delete part. Come to the delete part. Okay, how to delete? If front is null, there is no any elements. You know this. Front is null, there is no any element. Okay, if front equals to rear, first time front equals to rear, right? Again, it should become to 0, right? It should become to 0. Which diagram it is? Last diagram, guys. Last diagram. Okay, when we are deleting, right? Q Q deletion. See, if rear equals to front, again it should become initial position. Come to the initial position. Rear equals to 2 and front equals to, it is pointing to the last element. Rear initial position. Come to the initial position. That is the code we have written, right? If rear equals to, size equals to, right? In deletion part, guys. See, if rear equals to, front equals to rear, again should become to null. Okay, and which element has to delete? Temporary equals to front. First make it as temporary. First node you need to make it as a temporary. First node we need to make it as a temporary. First node you need to make it as a temporary. That element you need to move to the next location. Delete that element. Are you following? Three nodes are there. Example, guys. You know this first node, this is the second node, and this is the third node. This is what you know, right? This is front. This is front. What is this? This is rear. You know this. This is pointing to this, and this is pointing to this. Okay, what is this deleting? Which node has to delete? First node. This node has to delete, right? This node has to delete. You know this. What he has done? This is he is making as a temporary. Okay, this is temporary. What is doing? Front equals to front next. This front value is what? Is moving to the next location. Front is pointing now. This. Okay, delete this. How to delete? Pre of temporary. Pre of temporary means this will be deleted. He is making as this is temporary. Delete this. Again this. Now again make it as temporary. Temporary equals to front. This is front, right? Again make it as temporary. Delete this. Again this. When it is front equals to rear, when it equals front equals to rear, make it as temporary equals to both values null. Both are pointing to this null. This is else if condition. Okay. See this. Not only writing, guys. If you write the program, you can't understand. We need to do practice. If you don't understand today, again I will repeat tomorrow, guys. Not a problem, right? But you try. You have to try. If you attend simply the classes, no use. Okay, you need to do practice. You need to do practice. Okay, I can. If you don't get this output tomorrow, I will show you. I will type and I will execute. Okay, you have to do practice, right? See, q underscore dm dot c. First take front equals to null and rear equals to null. Same output, guys. See this. Insert, delete, display, and exit. Previously we worked with arrays. This is with linked list. Okay, first press 3. Is there any elements? Queue is empty. Press 2. Is there any elements to delete? There is no elements in the queue. There is no elements in the queue. First insert, guys. Insert, enter an element to add queue. 10. Press 3. 10 is only one element is there. Again insert. 20 is inserted. Press 3. Two elements. 33 elements. 44 elements, guys. 3 press 3. 10, 20, 30, 40. Which element can be deleted? First in, first out. 10 can be deleted. First delete, press 2. Guys, press 2 to delete. 10 deleted. 10 deleted. Okay, what are the elements are there? 20, 30, 40. Which element can be deleted? 20 can be deleted. Press 2. 20 is deleted. What are the elements are there? 30, 40. Which element can be deleted? 30. Right? Press 2. 30 also deleted. Press 3. What are the elements are there? See, guys. And again press 2. Right? There is no elements. No elements in the queue. Press 3. Queue is empty. We can insert again. Enter an element. 10. Press 3. Again first element. 4 exit. Right? Yeah, guys. Right? These three functions now. Yes. Struct queue.